New strugglers, they are just open up your heart and I will give you the prize. A lot of them will smile but try to kill you with lies. If there was a humble moment, they turn into spies. They won't take a moment to open their eyes, but they won't get you down because it's Food-Farrell. Them try to fight, they try to keep you down. It's true Farrell. Food-Farrell, but you fight the good fight.
Yeah, that's how we roll around here. Flora, I'm doing well. Thank you for joining my channel, Flora. Flora, like the channel, please. If you're new to my channel, please take a look at it and see what's going on. Good afternoon to you too. Is it morning where you are, Flora? Because it's afternoon here. Where are you from, Flora? Welcome to my channel. Food-Farrell, it's where it's at. So we're seasoning up our pot. Yep. We're keeping it real, you know? I hope your Sunday is going well. Happy Sunday, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Why do we feel alone? Welcome, welcome. It's been a while since I've seen you last. How are you doing today? Ooh. You could try it. When you try it, Daily, give me a little comment and say, hey, I tried it. And let me know if it tastes good for you. Make sure to season your pot really, really well, though. Nice flavors of whatever you have. Bacon and all that good stuff. Yeah, that's nice. Nope. gonna steam
It's
this
food,
rice.
Farrell, travel and
Old
eat.
school
We don't
style.
stop. It's food, Farrell. I got them
For those of you who've
watching
never
my
seen it
pot.
before,
It's food, Farrell. Play the beat and don't stop. It's food, Farrell, travel and eat. We don't stop. It's food, Farrell. I got them watching my pot. It's food, Farrell. Play the beat and don't stop. Don't tell me that you don't like it. I got pumpkin down in the stew and everybody's invited. And don't forget Farrell's Corner, because everybody's united. Whoa, brown stew chicken just lost a screw. Don't tell me that you won't bite it, I know you do. It's food, Farrell, travel and eat. We don't stop. It's food, Farrell, I got them watching my pot. It's food, Farrell, play the beat and don't stop. It's food, Farrell, travel and eat. We don't stop. It's food, Farrell, I got them watching my pot. It's food, Farrell, play the beat and don't stop.
Alright guys, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. This is a quick and easy video. All you have to do is season your chicken, put some brown sauce.
Don't tell me that you don't like it. I got pumpkin down in the stew and everybody's invited. And don't forget Farrell's Corner.
Happy Sunday. Happy Mother's Day, even though it's gone. Happy Father's Day, even though it's gone. And Happy New Year to everyone. And you know how we work. At the end of the day, enjoy yourself. Farrell's Kitchen. Food Farrell. Go check out our song, Food Farrell.